Okay, this is a very easy gig to create, and it's called easy money. By that I mean all you have to sometimes do is to write some text, write it down, and then just send it to every single person who buys your gig. So you only have to do the job once, and then you just send it to them because it's a digital delivery. It is one of the simplest and the easiest gigs that you can possibly do. Just come up with a category right here that you can see a lot of people are actually buying, and then put in your own idea to it. So make your own spin. You don't want to copy any of those people right here. Instead, you want to create something different and something original. You don't even need to have yourself on video for creating jokes. So if you have those jokes that are funny, just collect every single joke that you find, put it all together in one specific PDF file, and then you're gonna create a Fiverr gig based on it and send it to everybody who is buying the gig. This is the easiest and the simplest gig you can create that's going to give you $5 right there. So I'm practically giving you the $5 in this gig. All you have to do is create your own different version of this specific gig and get paid for it. So what are you waiting for? Why are you just standing here and listening to me? Go ahead, take your time right now, create this gig, and then come back to the next lecture because I want you to get your first $5 on Fiverr.